Hello, welcome everyone at this video session. Today we are going to discuss subject WSN. It stands for Wireless Sensors Network. Today we are going to discuss a very little topic from the subject, that is designing and deploying WSN applications. So let's begin the video. So here we go. Designing and deploying wireless sensor network applications. Deploying of WSN application means designing, development and implementation of wireless sensor network, which deals with setting up an actual functioning and faithful working of wireless sensor network in a real world application. Now, following are the just different type of applications that are all different application which can be implemented by means of WSN. Earth monitoring, environmental, physical parameter monitoring, air pollution, temperature, hygro monitoring. Hygro means temperature and humidity together, called as hygro. Forest fire, landslide monitoring, rainfall, disaster management purpose monitoring, underwater underground monitoring, health monitoring, industrial, domestic monitoring, military monitoring, multimedia, mobile based monitoring, tracking and so on. So n number of different kind of applications and that are helpful, which generates analytical study for the further management. So in this way WSN is vulnerable network which can offer different type of applications. Let's see what are the early WSN development problems. Early wireless sensors network development general problem. It deals with general design issues and problems that are as following: fault tolerant communication, low latency, scalability, wireless transmission, traditional problems, coverage and quality of service, and other different level of design considerations or rather issues that we'll discuss later on. Let's see what they mean by fault tolerant communication. So fault must be get tolerated by the system itself, but it is uncertain that any one or many of the sensors nodes become unreadable or become faulty. In this case, such a situation must be checked by the basis of automation, as well corrective action must be taken. Next, low latency means all corrective action must be taken immediately. Whatever the messaging, responding and the data transmitting receiving with respect to correct timing or guaranteed time slot within. In the wireless communication, framework event must be dealt with immediate detection, fast recognition and notify events as soon as possible on the urgent basis. Scalability. In view to improve the performance of a system, it must be scalable. Means by adding hardware and nodes to the sensing system can be improved. It means whatever the sensing area can be in order of hundreds of thousands or more scalable according to the application. So system must be flexible to provide scalability. Wireless transmission traditional problem. In the case of multi-hop sensor network, radio communication characteristics like fading, high error rate also affect the operation of network. Coverage or quality of service. Variety of sensors network has different coverage and working range, offer different quality of services. So these are what early WSN development general problem. But while design and development WSN, following other design consideration must be taken in account, that are sensors node hardware software, calibration, sensors network hardware software, calibration, localization and routing, data aggregation, dissemination and security, data centric and curing, architectural point of view, medium access schemes, radio link wireless transmission, middleware, network layer, transport layer and so on, application specific. Now let's discuss little bit about what is requirement analysis in WSN. It's analytical study of WSN which ensures about its functioning properly, whether wireless sensors network and nodes are functioning satisfactorily, running faithfully as application expectations under given environment or not. Requirement analysis in the WSN includes list following: application specific, data latency, energy source, security concern. Application specific user expectations analysis. Data latency analysis, it deals with time precision and accuracy as well data tolerated delays. Energy source, this is kind of lifetime requirement and that must be get analyzed how it works. Security concern, environment interference analysis. Now let's discuss WSN top-down designing process. WSN designing process, here methodology discuss top-down methodology. Top-down means it is generally basically based on different layers of open system interconnection modules. Unlike other networks, WSN are always designed to meet specific applications, further which are not limited to any one of the following: domestic, rather industrial, geographical, environmental, military, surveillance, target tracking, parameter tracking, etc. etc. Each application differ in feature and requirements. In view to support this, diversity of application, design process must consider new communication protocol, algorithms and application specific service required. WSN design process methodology always deals with top-down direction. That means top layer to bottom layer on the basis of 5-layered WSN model. This 5-layered WSN model further based on 7-layer OSI model. OSI means Open System Interconnection models. As because of WSN are application specific, the design work must be get started with the considering particular application, presentation of the data and storage requirement. This concern with memory. Therefore, designing of WSN must be ends with bottom first layer, and that is physical layer deals with sensors node hardware components. Top-down design step deals with details are shown in the following figure, which is based on 5-layer WSN model, further which is based on 7-layer OSI model. This is 5-layered model used for WSN. First layer, physical layer, data link layer, network layer. All these three with partial transport layer deals with data issues, means data linking, aggregation of the data, transmitting of the data, authentication of the data, authentication of the stations and points through which network and communication run. Further, fourth, transport layer and application layer contribute application issues. So these are the 5-layered model used for WSN. So let's start the stepwise top-down design steps. So steps 1, 2, 3 deals with application, fourth itself deals with transport layer, 5th, 6th, 7 deals with network, 8, 9 deals with data link, and last nothing but bottom layer, that is physical. Let's see into steps. 1. Application software utility, operation and operating system design deals with this step. The designing work like analytical output, presentation. Further, next step, database management and storage hardware design, that is regarding memory design. Next step, application based and data transfer TCP protocol design based. This deals with transport layer. Next step, network topology design. So according to the localization and the geographical area, network topology can be designed according to requirement. Single hop, multi-hop, transmitting nodes, further part of the same. Node chain, nothing but chain nodes, isolated nodes and critical nodes. These all steps 5, 6, 7 are deal with network designing. Next step, MAC based design, nothing but medium access control. Next step deals with data stream multiplexing, data frame creation and detection, as well error control design schemes. Next one is design of different component of the sensor node. This deals with physical layer, that is nothing but bottom layer. As this is what the design steps, that's why it deals with top down flow, and we reached at last but not least, which is very important, and data begins from here, that is sensor. After sensing signal, amplifier, buffering it the same signal, analog to digital conversion, then microcontroller or any processor which process the data, stores into the memory and transmit through the radio link. So this is what all hardware component design with this is to be get considered. So in this way we discuss the little subject topic, designing and deploying wireless applications in subject WSN. We covered deploying means wireless sensor network applications, early WSN developing problems, and further design considerations, requirement analysis in WSN, design methodology for WSN, and top-down design methods. So that's all for now. Thanks for watching this video represented by Professor MVR, belongs to Logmir, Loknitya Gopinathji Munde, Institute of Engineering Education and Research. Thank you. Please don't forget to share this video. Thanks you.